Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So today I am going to introduce Spanish grammar and context created by the University of Texas at Austin. I know that grammar can be super difficult, but it's never impossible. So if you want to learn more about Spanish grammar, I think this is a great website to check it out and learn more from it. So let's get started. The first part that you see right here is three items: the project, education, and research. These items just provide more information and context about this website. Aside from that is two links. The first one is a Facebook page. It's more for news and updates that this website has, so if you want to follow it. Also, they have a YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is mainly for teachers. They have professional videos and student videos, so the more examples a student can have, the better they can be at Spanish grammar. So, there are 9 items that are provided for the grammars. The first one is introduction to adjectives. All of them do have introduction. It gives you more information about the item. So if I click on it and scroll down, you're able to see the definition and an example of how an adjective is used. So it is translated into English from Spanish. You can see how it is used, and you can also click on the speaker to hear it in clarity and just listen to how it sounds in 2 different languages. They also have different information. All items have different information just because they work differently and provide different works. But all of them do have adjectives practice. They all have the practice. So if you click on it, you're able to see the definition again. But you do have to create an account through Canvas Instructure. That is okay. You can click on login. Click here, it's free. You can either sign up as a teacher or a student or even a parent. Once you create your account, you have storage and your progress. You can see your progress being made in this website. Here's your dashboard, your courses that you're taking, your calendar, your inbox, or any questions or suggestions that you have. This is more of a self-paced website, which is cool because there's no rush. But if you want to keep practicing, this is available at any time. They also have quizzes, which is super nice. You can just manage your work and just practice on what you need to do better. There's multiple choice and fill in the blank. So I'm going to go back to the website. So this is for all of them. You can get practice in all of them. I think it's super neat because, you're growing your skills in Spanish grammar and you're owning your own skills. You're responsible for what you want to learn. And I think this is a great website to get started on. And, it's possible. And if you have any questions or anything, check it out. There's plenty of work to do and information. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you guys later. Thank you.